You've seen the headlines. People are making thousands of dollars a month selling print-on-demand products online. But maybe you've also seen some of the bad advice out there, like just copy what's already selling or use AI to generate designs and you'll be successful. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to start print-on-demand in 2025 from scratch, including how to actually make money. This tutorial is broken down into 3 sections, so feel free to skip around in the comments below if you want to learn about a specific step. Let's dive in. Step number 1, picking your niche. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is trying to appeal to everyone. Instead, you should find a small group of people who have a shared interest, like fans of a particular TV show, for example, and design products with unique designs that they would buy. For instance, if you're targeting fans of a TV show, instead of just putting the logo on a t-shirt, try making a funny quote from a memorable scene. You could even design something for people who love to go hiking. Not only are you making a product that stands out, but you're also creating something that people who share a common interest can relate to. So take your time to brainstorm ideas that fit these 2 criteria: shared interest and unique design. Step number 2, designing your products. There are plenty of tools out there to help you create designs without ever touching a paintbrush. Start by choosing a design tool. Once you've created an account, simply search for the type of product you want to make. Say you want to make a t-shirt, hoodie, or sweatshirt. Click on the product, and then choose the color you want to start designing. Most tools allow you to upload images and text to your canvas. Just remember to keep your designs as simple as possible so they look good when they're printed. Pro tip: if you want to stand out even more, try using mock-up images to show what your designs will look like on a t-shirt or sweatshirt. Once you finish designing, you can save your final design as a PNG file. Step number 3, connecting to print providers. Now that you have your design saved, it's time to connect to a print provider. You'll need to create an account and upload your PNG file. Make sure your design is at least 4,500 pixels wide and tall to ensure high-quality printing. Some providers even offer a design preview feature so you can check how your design will look once it's printed. Once you're happy with everything, just hit publish and you're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.